We're back with another Ultron. The reason is I have got a lot of friends in security in locksmith, and I actually got the Ultrons off me locksmith friend, and he actually fits them. He seen my video, wasn't happy. He says I picked the lock wrong way around, and it was easy lock, blah blah blah. So he's given us this one to pick, just to prove that Ultrons are hard to pick. You know what I mean? Well, they are hard to pick to probably the novice picker. Probably little. There's most people who have been picking dimples for what, over 4 years. You know what I mean? I haven't picked a shitload of dimples, but I've been picking dimples for a while. So he's given us this one. What I've done is took the inner clip off because I don't want to rip my finger open, because I did last time I'd done the last one. As you can see on this one, on this key, straight off the back there, you've got number 6, that is dead flat. Number 5 and number 4, that's flat. Then you've got number 1 with the overset trap, really should have given us that lock without the key. And then you've got number 2, that looks like it just needs to be tapped. Then you've got number 3, that looks like a slight bit of overset trap, because picking dimples, when you've got to get them dimples dead flat in the core, you know what I mean, it can be sometimes tricky. And like I say, I haven't got like all kinds of dimple picks at the minute because I lost the last lot. All I've got is this. That's basically what I've got. So I'm going to give it another shot and just pick the right way up and have a drink of me jungle juice and me coffee. Right. Alright, this will be the first time pick on this. Like I say, all I've done is just remove the clip off the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come back on myself. Right, I don't think I'm getting me pick on the pins properly. It feels tight, this one as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little slight turn in the core. Right, I haven't got this on properly. Okay, just try to go back down again. Right, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and click. 5. Right, again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip off the pin now. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go, it's open. I picked it open. There we go, I picked that open. So there you go, mate. There's still a dollar to pick. Anyway, let's cut this. Right. By rights, it should be sitting here with us, you know what I mean? But like I say, I can understand where he's coming from. I can understand where he's coming from, so we'll gut this the same way we'll gut the last one. I would wonder if it's going to have the same pins in, because it just felt like it had the same pins in it, like. Right, let's have a shot. Let's have a shot, see if I can get this right this time again. Oh, I tell you what I should have done. I should have left the key in. Got the key with it. I was stupid, and I hope that wasn't it. That was a ball bearing. Right, and then we'll put a key in it, so it should be a bit more helpful with a key in. Right, let's give it a shot. Hopefully the key will keep the pins in. So the pins are that way. So I should be doing it that way. It'd be better if I took it out. I'm going to do it that way. Right, let's go. Alright. there's your true pins. I'm going to drop the what they're called, the passive pins that are out at the bottom. Right, one more passive pin. There's all the passive pins out, sorting them out. Looks a bit more cleaner this one, mate. Right, now we're going to take this key out. Stick that there. Like I say, I'll be off YouTube maybe for 2 to 4 weeks. It all depends. I'll still comment on the people I comment on all the time, regular. The people who are regular comment who I always comment to. That is it with that, and it's just the same as the last one, but this one's brass. There you go. There's all your drill protection. Is it the same as the last one? It is. So still a good lock. Still like I say. I think what Ultion do, me personally, I think that they make them pretty easy to pick for the locksmith. I think that's what they do. So that's a standard. Oh, that's better. Now this has got better pin work in it. It's got a spool, it's serrated. The other ones were serrated. I thought they were spools, but they're not. They're serrated. And that is a serrated, isn't it? No, it's a standard. I know the new ones feel like they've got serrated in definitely. And last but not least, anti-bump. So really, the other one I picked had better pin work, and this one's just got one spool and one serrated. And let's get the pins out. I need to get them out because they need to be took out anyway for put it back together. Right. Last but not least. Right, let's get these in. I've noticed they put different spring pressures in them, like that's probably for the bumping. I'm sure there's a video of these actually one of these getting bumped. I should keep your trap shut. Like I say, in reality, a thief is not going to be picking locks. Like, he will get the odd thief who probably has got the skill to pick a lock, like, but I would say bumping and lock snapping is the biggest threat to locks, like household locks anyway. That's what I reckon anyway. Like I say, I'm not no expert, it's just what I get told and what I see on telly. And here we go, another one pick, just to prove a point. Alright, just another one to prove a point. We did put a bit of a better fight than the last one, like so. Let me pick. As you can see, we've got all steel in number one. Well, all with steel, 2 brasses, steel, a steel and a brass, and at the top we've got just a standard. At the top we've got a standard, then we've got a spool, then we've got a serrated, a standard, and then the anti-bump. That just teeters on the inside the course when you try and bump it, the pin doesn't go all the way up. So there you go, another Ultion picked and gutted, and I will see you in a few weeks, and stay safe and happy picking. Bye.